Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Okay, so we're looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Breville Barista Touch. Seems like both aim for that bean-to-cup experience.
Yeah, exactly. The De'Longhi, the renewed version I see, has 6 one-touch recipes with color icons, which seems pretty convenient. And it has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings.
The Breville also has a built-in grinder and a color touchscreen. It highlights pre-programmed settings like espresso, americano, latte, and cappuccino. So maybe a bit more user-friendly out of the box?
True, but the De'Longhi mentions a traditional milk frother, so if you enjoy manually frothing your milk, that could be a plus. The Breville boasts automatic milk frothing, though.
Good point. The De'Longhi also has removable and dishwasher-safe parts, which is a definite bonus for cleaning. What about size?
The De'Longhi is 17.32, DX 9.45, WX 14.17, H, and weighs 20.8 pounds. The Breville is slightly bigger at 16.5x, 15.5x, 15.5 inches, and heavier at 26.2 pounds. So if counter space is limited, the De'Longhi might be better.
And the Breville is currently unavailable, which kind of makes the decision easier, doesn't it? But let's say it was available.
Okay, if available, the Breville has PID temperature control, which promises consistent temperature for better extraction, and a 3-second heat-up time that's speedy.
The De'Longhi doesn't explicitly state the heat-up time. It does emphasize that the grind size is important for pressure, which suggests it might be a bit more finicky to dial in.
Right. The Breville also includes accessories like a razor precision dose trimming tool and a stainless steel milk jug. More included goodies.
But it looks like the De'Longhi includes descaler and a water filter, which are important for maintenance. And all the parts are dishwasher safe, which is a huge time saver.
Okay, so the Breville seems geared towards ease of use and consistent results, while the De'Longhi offers more control over the milk frothing and easier cleaning, and is currently available.
I'd say if you want something that's quick to learn and packed with features, and if you can find it, the Breville Barista Touch is the way to go, but if you are looking for something available now, the De'Longhi is your pick. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.